Alright guys, today's a different type of video. So I got this pack of chicken here. This is on sale, but what you can do is you can put it into your Instant Pot and cook it all at once, and then you can get it, just take off the meat, and then you can use it for stir fries, you can use it for a whole bunch of little things. Makes it more convenient, and then you can actually save the broth to use for your stir fries as well, or you can make it into a stew or anything like that as well. So and you'll notice when you ever freeze or put your broth in the fridge, it'll turn to gelatin because that's the collagen that's found in this. So I'm going to cook this up, and then I'll show you what I generally do with it, so I'll be back. Alright, so I put it in the pot. So what you're going to do is you're going to just hit the poultry button, and then it'll all be cooked. I generally do season it before I do that, so I'll season it with some garlic salt or celery salt or something. Alright guys, so check this out. So it's all done now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip off the meat and I'll throw it into this pan I have set up. And then I'm going to basically make a stir fry out of it. So stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, what I've done is I've taken the chicken out and then I put the broth of that into here as a sort of like a stir fry. And then I have canned chickpeas, which I'm not going to put all of them in there, but I'm going to put that into a little bit on the side so act as my starch. And then I'm actually going to make a chili out of that broth as well. So, and I've done it in a previous video, so you can actually make two things out of that pack. So it's really handy. Alright guys, yeah, stay tuned for more videos. But it's pretty handy. As you can see, I got my Swiss chard here, so I'm just gonna cook it up, season it, and yeah, you have yourself a stir fry. Stay tuned for more videos. Alright guys, so there it is, all done up, as you can see. There's chickpeas, there's chicken, so let's do a quick taste test. The chicken is nice and soft. Got a lot of flavor in there, and it goes well. Definitely check it out guys. If you have a question, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Alright, so check it out guys. This is my stew that I use from the broth, just so you can make two dishes, just like I've mentioned. So I got corn, beans, chickpeas. I'm going to put some Swiss chard in there. But yeah, it turns out really well, so you can make two things from that nice pack of chicken. So I'm going to season this with some oregano, some fennel, all that garlic salt. And then yeah, you got yourself a stew, and you got yourself like a stir fry as well. So make your dishes really easy. Stay tuned for more videos guys.